Hi, hello everyone, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Uh, Thank you for coming back. Today we are going to learn a simple thing again. We are learning one of the applications of PowerPoint and how to use its tools. So in some previous video, we made mention the various tools used in a presentation. So we can see how to apply certain of those tools. We are not going to use all of them, of course. So I made a small and tiny presentation of 5 slides that we are going to use. It's about sleep. I know it's very essential, so we are going to try and use it to apply some of the tools we made mention about. So I have 5 slides because in a presentation, I think you should not be very lengthy and having like very many slides, because you may get those audience bored and some of them may move even out when you're presenting. So the first thing I remember, we talked about slide view or slideshow. So this is how it looks like when the one slide covers the whole of the projected area or the projector on the wall where it's projected. So this is called a slideshow or a slide view. So that is one of them. When you're here at the top, you will find very many tools you can use. So we can, let me say, can start with the transition. Transition, let me mention that it's used to shift from one page to the other or to the next. So essentially, initially we are still in none of them. We are not using, so we can apply. So when you are applying, you can tap on the slide, then go and tap the transition you want to make to that slide. So to the next one, we can go with a different one. To the next one, we can go with a different one. I hope you are seeing. When you have applied, you are seeing it is start from somewhere to remind you that for this one you have already put it. So we are having very many transitions we can use. So we are having very many transitions we can use. Some of them are still down here. If you tap this one, there are very many you can see. Let us use some of them from this side. Let us use some. Let us use. Let me pick another one. So let us try to go to the first slide, then see how it is appearing. Now, when you move from one page to the next, you can see, and each page of the presentation is called a slide. I hope you remember. So when you are shifting from here, I hope you're seeing, that is how it transits from one page to the next. Are you seeing? So that's how we set our slide. So that's our end. So there's also animation. In animation, there's also animation. We are having very many of them. Maybe you can see. For animation, you like how you want something, like for us, we have written our topic is this one. How you want this writing to appear, to come on the screen. So you can come and tap on it, then you see it activating. So we were still having that. So when we tap on this one, that's how it is coming in. So they are saying it flies in, so that it flew in. So we can use it. We can pick, like, you can just pick and random. Some of them, they are still there. There are very many. We cannot utilize all of them. But if you're interested, you can later on come and you do it. So there are very many. For the interest of time, we are not going to do each and every, all of them. So that's how the animation works. So that's how our animation works. So let us first see the effect of our animation and transition at the same time. That is our slide view. Hope you saw how our transition came. Now, I mean, the other one was animation. This is our transition. So the next one, introduction. Then that's the effect of using combine animation and transition. So that's the end of slide. So you can even record what you're displaying on the screen. You can record. You have an option for recording. You can even use timing for each and every slide. Like you're saying, this slide I'll take 2 minutes in it, so that you come and set from here that after 2 minutes it should go to the next slide using the given transition and animation. So that is the most used things here. So one thing I think we should also not forget, I was almost forgetting. Let's see how to insert our layout. Not layout. Our design, I mean. So in design, it gives us different textures and font types. So we can see, select for each of them. So let us say we are using this one for introduction. You see, it designs like it's much like the master slide. So it designs all of the other slides just like it's, maybe apart from the main topic. So that is how it is, and it outlines all of the things. So you can see how it comes all very clearly and nice. Still have very many of them. We cannot utilize all of them. These are the different patterns they provide us with. If you have internet access, you can even get more from the internet. So that's how nice it is to use presentation. So thank you. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks.